Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to storage section, and here you can switch to portable. It's basically SD card. Tap on three dots and select format. Then tap erase and format, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.